Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common issue, tape not sticking to new hair system bases. But worry not, because I've got the solutions you need. Let's get started. To understand why tape might not adhere properly, it's often due to hair conditioner residue used by the manufacturer. This creates a barrier between the tape and the base. To solve this problem, we suggest two methods. Option 1. Clean the base with a clarifying shampoo to remove oil and residue. Ensure the base is completely dry before proceeding. Option 2. Prepare the base with alcohol. Choose isopropyl alcohol with a concentration of 75% or higher. Moisten a soft, lint-free cloth or cotton pad with the alcohol solution. Gently wipe the base and allow it to air dry completely. Avoid using acetone for hair system base preparation. Acetone is harsh on materials, can cause skin irritation, and leaves behind a residue that hinders adhesion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more hair system maintenance tips. Leave your comments below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Remember, proper cleaning and preparation of your hair system base are crucial for a secure bond with tape or adhesive. Follow these steps and say goodbye to tape troubles.